long time ago, actually when I was looking for a job, they had a job in Mojave, California for AS 9100 facilitator position, which is aerospace quality standards. My wife was like, hey, you gotta take a look into it. And I'm like, he's in the middle of the desert. So we wanted to just check it out and just see exactly how life would have been if I had gotten that job, then we would move to the desert. At the Mojave Air and Space Port, and this is what we would have been doing. Had gotten that job.
So silly.
Yeah. Way back, and I can't remember, it was what, 05, 06, or something other. So this is it, no doubt. I don't know if that's the original spaceship one. I'm about to find out. This is Virgin Galactic. This is the company that Burt Rutan is a part of, and God, I think they're coming in for a landing. Check them out. Y'all, I just got myself a treat today.